Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Barbie Dreamtopia for ages 3 and up. At Walmart, we found new Merpeople and playsets. We bought these dolls for $7.94 each. And I've got to say, I was very excited to see a Merman. I might have screamed in the store. That's only because this is my first Barbie Merman. Ken has been in a ton of Barbie mermaid movies, so it's really awesome to have one. On the back of the box, it says Barbie Dreamtopia, sail away with Chelsea and her big sister Barbie to magical lands where adventure never stops and imagination soars. At the top of the box, it tells you where the doll is from. This mermaid's box says Sparkle Mountain, and the Merman is from Rainbow Cove. Let's get these two out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, some light assembly is required. You have to attach the bottom of their tail. I love how they're constantly adding new faces to the Dreamtopia line. I think this mermaid has a very nice smile. She has pink hair, wears a white headband, sculpted top, and has a pink and white glitter tail. The white glitter details are only on the front, and it is a solid color on the back. The Merman has Ken's face sculpt and comes with a few removable accessories, like a shell necklace and cuffs at the wrist. He has a green tail that fades to blue. At the very bottom, it fades from purple to pink, with yellow and pink stars. And just like the mermaid, the tail is a solid color on the back. Both merpeople have pretty basic articulation, with movement at the head, shoulders, and waist. However, the Merman has a smaller range of motion. See, the mermaid can do this, whereas the Merman cannot. But I still think it's pretty cool that we can add to our Merpeople collection. Speaking of adding Merpeople, here is a Chelsea-sized mermaid in the Mermaid Playground playset. This was $19.88 at Walmart. On the back of the box, you can see the entire playset along with a few features, like a slide, mermaid pool, and a tea party set. Out of the box, assembly is required. Wasn't terribly difficult. The playset looks like a little underwater castle. You can see the outline of fish and underwater plants. There is a slide for the doll. Oops, sorry little mermaid, that was a rough landing. She is supposed to land in the tub at the bottom. There is a seashell swing for the little mermaids. On the back, there are a few places to store a few items. Maybe this can be a home for her little friend. We can place teacups on the shelves or on the little sand dollar table and have a tea party for two. The little mermaid has light pink hair, a purple top, and a tail that fades from light blue to pink. The very bottom of the fin can be removed and used for a comb, and the bottom of the tail can be turned all the way around. We can add to the fun with these small playsets that we got at Walmart for $9.94. The Sweetsville playset, it comes with a little cupcake house, a fuzzy puppy that can fit inside, decorate the top with little ice cream cones, place a rainbow fence on the side. This is a donut chair with gummy bear legs and a cookie back. There are lots of classic Dreamtopia friends and a Barbie lollipop. The Mermaid playset gives us a mer puppy. He's super fuzzy on the top and has a mermaid tail with scales and all. And he can live in a crystal house under the sea that you can decorate with starfish, place treasure and jewels out front. Gotta add some pearls and 3 magical friends. And this playset comes with another rainbow fence. The Merpup is adorable and a great addition to the Dreamtopia collection. I like how you can decorate the little houses, and we get lots of underwater friends. I love mermaids and unicorns and fairies, so I think Barbie Dreamtopia is a lot of fun. The dolls have a variety of different hair colors, so they are a great option when looking to customize a doll. Yeah, she used to be a fairy. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Barbie Dreamtopia dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.